Today we're talking about the Leigh surface hold down clamps, or bench dogs. This is a great product. It comes with these two receptacles with full instructions on how to mount them. You can mount them on the side or on the top like I have. The good thing is it goes 0 to 3 inch clearance, which pretty much has covered everything that I've wanted to clamp down onto my table. If you're going to screw it in surface mount, make sure that you pre-drill. As you can see, I broke a screw here. Simply just take a Forstner bit or a spade bit, drill it to the depth. Make sure that you're constantly checking that it's going down in straight and that you just are coming right below the level of line so that you're not marring any work that you're working on. I usually use a ruler and run it across, make sure it's not snagging on anything. Once you do that, make sure you pre-drill those holes. First you clean it up, then you're going to pre-drill the holes before putting the screws in. If you got 2 small screws in there, wood screws, you're looking at a combined hold down force of about 800 pounds according to a video that I watched. So once it's mounted in, you just slip it into its groove, give a quick little twist tight down, and boom, you're done. Throw in your work surface, clamp it down, you're ready to get to work. Quick, simple, easy to adjust. A lot of stuff that I work on is odd shape. That's what I love about these hold downs, is you can configure it on your bench in many different ways so that your wood's not moving around and forcing you to make mistakes. So great quality product. You can see that they're just clean and simple and very effective in its design. It's a great Canadian company. They also make the famous dovetail jig and a bunch of other stuff. But from this result, I'm definitely going to be buying a few more of these because I use them every day. It's a product I didn't think I'd really utilize, but now I use it all the time. I haven't needed to pull out my old quick clamps for quite a while because this is just so handy. So a great Canadian product available online, leightools.com or Leigh Valley. You can buy in person or online. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.